How to use ModMed. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ModMed. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on ModMed, you can also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is ModMed, also known as Modernizing Medicine, is a healthcare technology company that provides specialty specific electronic health record systems, practice management tools, and revenue cycle solutions designed to streamline clinical and administrative workflows, in which the company focuses on improving efficiency and patient care by offering cloud-based platform tailored to fields such as dermatology, ophthalmology, orthopedics, and gastroenterology. Its flagship product, EMA, uses structured data and adaptive learning to help physicians document encounters more quickly while maintaining accuracy. So now, to create an account or create a demo, just simply click get a demo and also start entering here on this pop-up window your work email address. Once done, all you need to do is to click the continue button and just fill out the required information once more, such as your first name, last name, your phone number, your state, organization, your specialty, the number of providers you have, and then also answer the question, are you an existing ModMed customer? So basically, after filling out all of this required information, the next thing that you need to do is to simply choose your preferred date and time where you want to get attended into a meeting demo, where it will discuss the step-by-step process on how you can start navigating or having an account on ModMed to use it. But at this point, I'm not going to simply send the demo. But to show you to start using this, they also offer here a variety of specialties, including, for example, for allergy, in which this one is designed specifically to support allergy, asthma, and immunology practices by streamlining both clinical care and administrative processes within a single system. So basically, the main purpose of this is to provide specialty-specific tools that help healthcare providers efficiently manage allergy-related patient data, treatments, and workflows. Also over here this dermatology, in which it is designed to help dermatologists manage both clinical documentation and practice operations in a highly specialized ways. The main purpose is to streamline how skin conditions are recorded, diagnosed, and treated while improving efficiency across the entire workflow of a dermatology clinic. Now aside from that, ModMed also used for ENT that combine the specialty-specific clinical tools with integrated practice management feature. The main purpose is to help ENT providers document the patient encounters more efficiently while improving diagnostic accuracy and overall workflow. And a key function of this module is structured and visual documentation tailored to ENT conditions. Providers can use anatomically diagrams of the ear, nose, and throat to record findings such as infections, sinuses, and hearing problems. Now moving on, aside from that, under the solutions option of ModMed, they also offer here an AI feature that offered by ModMed, in which they are built around what they called the AI-powered practice, meaning AI is integrated across the clinical, administrative, and financial workflows, not just documentation. So basically, the goal is to reduce manual work, improve accuracy, and let providers focus more on patient care, in which the AI capabilities in ModMed are designed to automate repetitive tasks, enhance the clinical accuracy, and streamline the entire healthcare workflow from patient intake to billing. Instead of standalone tools, AI is embedded directly into the system, creating a unified environment where providers can work faster, reduce burnout, and deliver better patient care. So if you also want to book a demo for it, you can simply enter your email address and also filling out the required information. Moving on, they also offer the analytics and reporting, in which it is designed to help healthcare practices turn everyday clinical and financial data into actionable insights. The main purpose is to support data-driven decision-making, improve performance, and optimize both patient care and business outcomes. While the enterprise level are designed for large healthcare organizations, multi-site clinics, and health systems that need centralized control, deeper insights, and scalable data management. And now to see your potential ROI with ModMed by clicking this Calculate Now button, it will automatically show you in here how you can start calculating your return on investment upon using ModMed to your enterprise business. All you need to do is simply customize the daily number of visits per provider, your average denial rate, average time your front office spends with new patient, and many more. Your gross profit margin, and it will show you in here the result. But basically, unlike standard reporting, the enterprise version focuses more on cross-location visibility, strategic decision-making, and performance optimization at scale. Since it is designed to help or provide a unified, high-level view of operations while still allowing detailed analysis at every level of the organization. Moving on here, aside from that, we could also navigate here this patient experience, which is also designed to improve how patients interact with healthcare providers before, during, and after their visits. The main purpose is to create more convenient, connected, and patient-centered journey. And now for the products and services they offer, we have here this EHR, which is the core platform that manages patient clinical or medical information, clinical documentation, and care workflows. The main purpose is to help the healthcare providers record, control, access, and use patient data efficiently while improving accuracy and quality of care. There are basically some of the specific specialty that you could also navigate. We also integrated the MIPS, analytics, and reporting, as you can see. This is basically what the dashboard looks like. And the purpose of ModMed EHR is to centralize patient information and streamline clinical workflows while enhancing accuracy, efficiency, and care quality. And now for the practice management. This one is designed to handle the administrative and operational side of the healthcare practice, working alongside the EHR to ensure smooth day-to-day operations. The main purpose is to streamline scheduling, billing, and office workflows. And also the skill operation with integrated analytics also in here, and data-driven insight has been integrated as well. And now moving on again once more on analytics, it will show us in here some of the three kind of analytics that you will see with here: administrative analytics, provider, and financial analytics, all with a different functionality and also features on it, in which this kind of feature in ModMed is built to transform raw healthcare data into meaningful insights, and by offering a real-time dashboard, financial tracking, and clinical analysis. And now for the payment processing that offers by ModMed. It offers or designed to simplify how healthcare practices collect, manage, and track patient payments. The main purpose is to speed up collections and reduce billing friction, in which they allow practices to accept various payment methods including credit and debit cards, online payments, in-office payments, and many more. Aside from this, you could also navigate some others option resources. If you have any other concern, we could also go to the training and implementation, some of their blogs, question and answer their support team, and many more, if you have other concern or question that you want to ask. But basically, the importance of modernizing medicine or ModMed lies in its ability to transform how healthcare practices operate by combining clinical, administrative, and financial tools into one brilliant or intelligent system. And overall, that is just basically how you can use ModMed. Thank you.